booster will help finish them off. You're done for! Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
Your physical meddling is most annoying with it! Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story! Hello, everyone! Are you getting tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new death partner!
Going to, dance?
No, we are not.
There be no plank for ye to walk in. Your end mine. This is what she gets for trying to steal what it...
Yours? Ha! Wearing you down!
You're not going to scuttle me!
Halt my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses?
Are ye sure? I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.